Hello. Welcome to my channel. I'm your trader next door Avilash. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen for 8 April 2021. So this analysis is for 8 April only. You'll see me tomorrow. I can do the analysis for 9th April. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And as you all know, my videos are a bit longer in comparison to videos of other channel because I try to explain why you should buy and where you should buy. I try to explain the logic and reason behind it. That's why my videos are a bit longer. So please do not mind because the main motive of this channel is to educate you to make you a better trader. So this is the reason I may bore you. Anyways, let's jump to the chart. So this is the chart of US dollar Japanese yen, and as we all know, right now market is trading below the 50 moving average. Market wasn't beautiful uptrend. Just look at the chart. This is the chart for last 1.5 months, and you can see that market wasn't beautiful uptrend, but right now market is trading below the 50 moving average. And this is the weekly chart of US dollar Japanese yen, and I have already shown you the reason behind, because when market was trading here, I already told you that market will face some reversal. Market will come down because of resistance in the weekly chart, and as expected, or as we have anticipated, market came down. Just look at this candle right now. So we can see that after receiving resistance from the weekly chart, market is just trading at the support level. Okay, support level. Okay, and we can see that previous week market took support here. So this support is a valid support for the market right now, because look at this portion. Okay, market is struggling here. Okay, market is trying to stay above the support level, which is a very good sign. Just try to understand our market psychology here. Okay, market was falling. Okay, just look at the size of this candle. Okay, by looking at the size of this candle, it was generally what happened. Okay, whenever we get this kind of volume, okay, the selling pressure continues and market falls. But here market did not fall. Market resisted. Market gave its best shot to stay above this particular unseen level. Yes, unseen level, because market has support in this level in the weekly chart. Okay, this is the reason market is trying its best to stay above this level. Now look at this chart. Okay, if you have been following my videos or following this the chart of US dollar Japanese yen, then you know it pretty well that when market was an uptrend, after that market came into a range and market was in sideways for a couple of days. And if we compare this sideways range to this sideways range right now, don't you think both are a little bit similar? Okay, they are a little bit similar. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? First and foremost, I was as I've already mentioned, right now market is in a range right now. So if you want to avoid, then you can avoid. But if you see that market is bouncing from here, or if you see market reversing from here, okay, with price rejection from below, and price rejection from below can be seen in the form of a hammer or a big green candle. Okay, once you get the confirmation that yes, market will bounce from here, okay, then easily you can enter here. You can enter at this level, at this support only, but confirmation is important. Therefore I'll tell you that wait for some time and wait for the confirmation, because market is already also oversold. So you may get a window, or you may get an opportunity to enter here. Okay, just enter here, and after that just be on the trade. Okay, your first target is this, and this is your second target. First and second. On the other hand, if you miss this opportunity and you see that, or if this particular level fails to convince you for an entry, then wait for the market to go up and reach this level. Okay, when market will be in this level, okay, this level, just observe the price. If you see that price is struggling at this resistance, okay, price may struggle because this is not the resistance on the 4 hour chart. This is the resistance from the weekly chart, the chart of the bigger players. Therefore price may stumble, price may struggle. So if you see that price is struggling and it is coming down again, you can short the market here. So this is your first entry. Okay, if you see price reversal from below and market going up taking support here, then you can enter here or you can enter here, shorting the market if you see that price is struggling and coming down. Okay, and third entry can be if market crosses this level, this particular level. If market crosses this particular level, okay, just like this, okay, just like this, okay, just like this. If market crosses this level, okay, when market cross this level, see, market made a big green candle. Okay, if you see that market has crossed this level also like previous times, okay, then wait for 3 to 4 hours and just try to understand the market psychology. Just try to observe the price. If you see that price is trading above the resistance level comfortably, price is not struggling, it is doing great, okay, then the resistance will become the support and easily you can enter here. So this is your third entry. Okay, this can be your third entry. You can buy just above this line. So you can buy here if you see a good reversal from here, because market is standing at the support right now. But do remember, market is falling, so confirmation is important. Okay, this is your first entry. This is your second entry. You can short the market here if you see market reverses from here, because this is a resistance on the weekly chart. Thirdly, you can buy above this line if you see that market crosses the level and resistance becomes the support. So these are the three points or levels where you can trade on USD Japanese yen. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow and do subscribe.